Hey Steve, here's the engine. Everything passed inspection, no problem. I'd recommend getting it dyno tuned. I mean, it's stock cam, stock program, so it shouldn't need it, but it's probably a good idea, being a Gen 4 application. But nice and healthy. Fuel pressure, oil pressure is good. No alternator scan, check the voltage. Last thing to keep in mind when you first start this thing up, it's going to do that little idle hunting for a little bit until it gets all the short-term trims figured out. But now, as you can see right now, it's nice and smooth. Alright, we'll get it on pallet, get ready to ship out.